Welcome, my dear friends. Welcome. I welcome you all. Myself is Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, and this particular video is regarding the Shalya Tantra syllabus. This subject, Shalya, means surgery in modern medicine. Surgery. Yes, Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery, that is BAMS. Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine, S for surgery. Yes, Ayurvedic students can also do surgery. There is some special surgical techniques in Ayurveda also. For example, in fistula in ano, Bhagandar, fistula in ano, there is a treatment called as the Kshara Sutra. World known Ayurvedic treatment for fistula in ano, surgery without knife. That is chemical cautery, Kshara Sutra. Don't forget this subject. This subject is so much popular that surgical branch is so much popular because of the two things. You can save the life of the patient. This is the ethical intention. And second is you can get a little bit more money than doing the consultation physician, because one surgery can give you the lot of money. Forget about the money, but you can get the very good advantages. For example, cardiac surgery, you can save the life of the patient. Even if you treat the fractures by your plastering on all these things, you will be get lot of the blessings from the people. So myself is Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande. I am MD in Ayurvedic Medicine, Kai Chikitsa, and MD in Ayurvedic Physiology. This is my WhatsApp number 9226810630. So you will be very, very good surgeon if you start learning fourth year BMS Shalya Tantra very nicely. Anatomy is the base of Shalya Tantra. Don't forget this. Purpose of this PPT. This PPT is based on the new syllabus of Central Council of Indian Medicine, CCIM, implemented from 2012. This is like the ATP, Advanced Teaching Program of that particular subject. Very useful for the teachers and students of Ayurveda College. Students can recite the syllabus, which can boost up their confidence to get success in the subject. Teachers and students can download this PPT in their smartphone. If you want the soft copy of this PPT, you can WhatsApp me. This is paid service. Okay. This can be very useful to keep the eye. What is my target? What is my goal? Shalya Tantra syllabus. There are two theory papers, 100 marks each, and practical is of 100 marks. Okay. So paper 1, part A, point 1. So definite whatever the words that I have mentioned boldly in the black and the red color, they are very, very important for your examination and or your practice as well. So definition of Shalya, Shalya Tantra and its importance, introduction to Shalya Tantra, historical background and how the progress has been made in the Sushrut. Sushrut Samhita is the best Samhita compendium for the subject of Shalya Tantra. Sushrut, Ayurvedic Rishi, Ayurvedic scientist, is called as father of surgery in modern surgical books. Sushrut is called as father of surgery. Don't forget this. Okay. So this is there is different things are mentioned. What is the target, preferable targets, recent developments of the surgical, etc., etc. We will focus on the first point only. So there is a description of yantra, shastra, and anushastra. Simple example: if you take the knife, that is a shastra, okay, but without any what you can say the pointed or the cutting edges, then that is called as a yantra. For example, if you take the catheter, that is yantra. Knife is a shastra, and anushastra, like for example leech, that is a non-toxic leech. Jalaukavacharana, raktamokshan, bloodletting is also as a part of surgery. Okay, next. Then what is that? Sterilization process. Nirjantukikaran. Always the question is asked, how write down the description about sterilization in the surgical branch. Okay. Then what is anesthesia? What is anesthesia? That is Saudnya Haranam. Saudnya, consciousness is lost. The patient is go to sleep and you can perform your surgery. So there are different types of anesthesia, local anesthesia and general anesthesia. What are the drugs? What is the technique? What are the indications? What are the contraindications? What are the complications? Everybody should know. Okay. Regional and general anesthesia. For example, drugs, techniques, indications, contraindications. One thing I would like to tell you, in general medical practice, we always use the xylocaine for the local anesthesia. But remember, when you perform any, for example, paronychia, you have the bad nails over here, and if you want to take out the nails, then if you give here ring block, then that particular xylocaine should be used without adrenaline. Without adrenaline. Xylocaine with adrenaline should not be used for end arteries. For the end arteries, tip of the nose, pinna, here fingers. Don't use xylocaine with adrenaline. If you use adrenaline, then that can cause the blood constrictions and the gangrene will be developed. So these simple things you will learn in Shalya Tantra. Then Trividha Karma, pre-operative, operative and post-operative, very important. Next, Ashtavidha Shastra Karma. These are the 8 types of surgical procedures mentioned by the Sushruta. Yoga, Yogya, I'm sorry, not yoga. Yogya means experimental running. In my days, experimental surgery. For example, if I want to practice how to give the injection intramuscular, then I can take a bottle with the rubber cap and I can pierce the needle in the rubber cap, out used needles in the rubber cap. By practicing piercing in the rubber cap, I will get the feeling, okay, this is the feeling when I push in the human body at a gluteal region or the deltoid region. Okay, that is a practice. Yoga means practice. Then marma, nirukti types description. Vital points in the bodies are called as a marma, satya prana marma, vaikalya marma, etc. Kshara and Kshara Karma. I have given you the medicated thread. Kshara Sutra is very famous throughout the world of this Ayurvedic surgery. Then Kshara Sutra, how to prepare, indications, contraindications, method of application, complications, and their management. Agni Karma, okay? That is, you must know how to give the burn treatment to the patient, cautery, how you should do, contemporary techniques and tools of Agni Karma. Shalaka, Suvarna Shalaka, Rajata Shalaka, Mishra Loha Shalaka. These are the different rods that are using from the metals. Then Rakta Mokshana, bloodletting. The most useful is venipuncture through the veins or through the application of leech, LWCH. Then bandh, bandaging. How you do the bandh. Then pichu, okay. Then kavalika and vikeshika. All these terms you must learn. Then what is next? That is upaya, nirharana upaya. What is that? Pranashtashalya. 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 Here in the red you can read current concepts and diagnostic tools of dealing with foreign body in the nose, foreign body in the ear, foreign body in the throat. How you will tackle, how the patient, the children are brought that he has peanut has been entered into the nose or the ears. How you will remove that. Next, fluid electrolytes and acid base balance. You must know about dehydration, overhydration, how to adjust the acidosis of the patient, alkalosis of the patient, what are the symptoms and what is the management. Then various replacement fluids in the surgery. Always when you do the surgery, it is required that you should give some parenteral route, IV route is very essential. Then you have to calculate how much is the loss of sodium, how much is the loss of potassium, and accordingly, which element you are requiring. Saline, dextrose normal saline, ringer lactate, metrogyl, what is that? You have to decide that. Then what is that? Rakta stambhana is the most important part in surgery. Whenever there is a puncture and the bleeding is going on, how to stop that bleeding? That is hemostasis. Remember, hemostasis, stopping of the blood. Also, you must know the details about blood transfusion. Then what is next? Detailed knowledge about blood bank technique. Blood bank technique. You know the different, you have given a lot of time blood donation. So the blood banks, they store your blood. How it is stored, which particular elements, chemicals are required for storage, how many days you can store, etc., etc. Okay, antibiotics, analgesics, anti-inflammatory, and emergency drugs in surgical practice. All the medicines you must know. Diagnostic techniques like X-ray, radiology, imaging techniques, ultrasonography, USG, CAT scan. Nowadays, you know, in the corona, we do the CAT scan, CT scan, computerized tomography, MRI, magnetic resonance, biopsy, cytological study. Then Shatakriya Kal in surgical practice. Sushruta has mentioned that is also used in the Kaya Chikitsa. Shatakriya Kal. Chaya Prakopa Prasar, Sthana Samshray Vyakti and Bhed. Chaya Prakop Prasar, Sthana Samshray Vyakti Bhed. So Kriyakal in the light of current concept of pathogenesis. Next, paper 1, part B, point 2. What is that? Vranashoth. Vranashoth is inflammation. Then Vidradhi, that is abscess. Pidika, that is different boils. Nadi Vrana, that is sinus and fistulae. Vrana Granthi, that is keloid and hypertrophic scar. Then management of shock. Then koth means gangrene and principles of amputation. Then granthi means cyst, arbuda means tumor. Vrana, different types of wounds, dishta vrana, shuddha vrana, then riyamana vrana, samyak vrudha vrana. So all types of the, what you can say, the injuries, you must be about wounds. What is a, that is a infected wound, clear wound, septic wound, all these things you must know. Vrana chikitsa, sadyo vrana, traumatic wounds. For example, bites and stings, dagdha vrana, that is burns and scars. Then ulcers, types and their management, wound healing stages. Then prameha pidaka, very important, diabetic carbuncles. Next, tvak chikitsa of chip, paronychia, infected nails, kadara, that is corn, and chidra rogas. Then manya here, galaganda, goiter, gandamala, cervical lymphadenitis, that is tuberculosis, apachi, lymphadenitis. Then diseases of the parotid gland, pashana gardhava, here, below the ear, parotid gland is there, parotitis, okay, mumps. Then Siravikar, superficial and deep vein thrombosis, hemangioma, varicose veins, very interesting. All the time you will get the problems with the varicose veins. The patient will come to you and give the Ayurvedic treatment. For the varicose veins, don't do the massage, because if you do the massage for the varicose veins, then embolism will come up and that will go to the lungs and there will be respiratory arrest, pulmonary embolism, very dangerous. It is started from deep vein thrombosis. So varicose veins you must study. Then Dhamani Vikara, that is aneurysm, Burger's disease, atherosclerosis. This is very common. For the heart attack, that is a lipid inner coating to the blood vessels. Raynaud's disease, then Snayu Vikara, tennis elbow here, tennis elbow. Ganglion here, usually it is taking ganglion and their management. Care of the AIDS HIV patient, safety precautions you must know. Then Bhang, skeletal injuries, like for example fractures, scapula fracture, clavicle fracture, humerus fracture, okay, radius and ulna here, radius and ulna fracture, femur, patella, tibia, pelvic bone fractures. Then sandhi moksha, that is dislocation, dislocation of shoulder joint, dislocation of elbow joint, and dislocation of hip. Diseases of the bone, congenital anomalies, osteomyelitis, cysts, tumors, and tuberculosis. I am going to prepare all these videos. Remember, all these videos of surgery will be there on the YouTube channel. My Ayurveda Academy YouTube channel has the information to the students, to the teachers, to the doctors, and for everybody. So there is a playlist. Playlist is very important. Nearly 25 points are there, from anatomy, physiology, Dravya Guna Vidyan, Rasastra Vaishajya, Roga Nidan, Kaya Chikitsa, Panchakarma, Shalya, Shala, all these things. You please visit my Ayurveda Academy channel. Cranio-cerebral injury, that is mechanism, pathology, classification, investigations. Next, diseases of the spine. For example, Pott's disease, that is tuberculosis of the spine. Pott's disease, cold abscess, ankylosing spondylitis, and disc prolapse. Disc prolapse is very common nowadays. Then diseases of the breast, stana vidradhi, breast abscess, stanar buddha, that is breast tumors, you must know about it. Disease of the chest, chest injury may be there, pleural effusion, tuberculosis, pleurisy, and tumors. Disease of the esophagus here, anomalies, that is congenital anomaly, esophagitis, esophageal varices in the liver cirrhosis, ulcers of the esophagus or the tumors, cancer of the esophagus, this is possible. Gulma Roga, Nidana Prakar Lakshan, then Shula Vyadhi, pain, how to manage pain, management of the acute abdomen. Acute abdomen is a severe pain with lot of vomiting, absolute constipation. There are three main causes of acute abdomen, is also called as a surgical abdomen. Remember, surgical abdomen. What is happening? That is a volvulus, volvulus intussusception and perforation. Volvulus means that is twist, volvulus twist, intussusception. Look here, to enter into the part of the colon into the other part. So intussusception and perforation. These are the three problems that can create the acute abdomen, which requires surgery. You must refer this patient to the hospital for surgery only. gas under diaphragm. If you do the X-ray, immediately you will find this finding, gas under diaphragm. While examining, there is a board-like rigidity, board-like rigidity for the acute abdomen. Very hard and very severe tenderness, severe pain, vomiting, and absolute constipation will be there. Next, paper 2, part A, point 10, Udar Roga, that is Jalodar ascites, Chidrodar, that is perforation, peritonitis, and Bhagabudodar, that is intestinal obstruction. Disease of the stomach and duodenum, pyloric stenosis, peptic ulcer, and gas cancer. Tumor means gastric cancer. Disease of the small intestine, TB, obstruction, and perforation. Disease of the large intestine, again TB, obstruction, perforation, tumor, appendicitis, very common, Crohn's disease, and ulcerative colitis. Disease of the rectum and anal canal, then disease of the rectum and anal canal, very important in the practice, Arsha, that is hemorrhoids, piles, Parikartika, fissure in ano, Bhagandar, that is fistula in ano, Guda Vidhradi, anorectal abscess, then rectal prolapse, anal stricture, incontinence, rectal polyp, and tumors. Disease of the rectum and anal canal continued. Then abdominal injuries and their management. Disease of the liver, for example, Yakrut, that is Vidradhi, that is abscess, neoplasia, portal hypertension, Yakruto Dalyodara, hepatomegaly. Disease of the liver, disease of the gallbladder, cholecystitis, cholelithiasis, obstructive jaundice, and tumor. Disease of the pancreas, pancreatitis, cyst of the pancreas and tumors. Disease of the spleen, plehoder, splenomegaly and splenic rupture. Disease of the kidney, congenital anomalies, polycystic kidney, injuries, perinephric abscess, calculus, and cancer, neoplasm. Disease of the urinary bladder, congenital anomaly, janmajat, congenital from birth, anomalies, problem, injuries, Ashmari, very interesting, vesical calculus, renal calculus, cystitis, and neoplasms. Then Mutra Ghat and Mutra Krich, that is retention of urine. Disease of the prostate, prostatitis, prostatic abscess, benign enlargement of prostate, BPH, benign prostatic hypertrophy. BPH, benign prostatic hypertrophy. The best drug is Himalaya Company, tablet Himplasia. Tablet Himplasia, one in the morning, one in the evening after food for minimum 3 months, prostatic enlargement will be reduced. Carcinoma of the prostate, that is a different thing. You must refer to the patient. Urethra, urethritis, stricture and rupture. Penis, niruddha prakasha, that is phimosis. Then parivartika, that is paraphimosis. Avapatika, that is PPCL ulcer. Arbuda, that is tumors. And lingarsha, that is penile warts. Disease of the penis. Disease of the scrotum and testis. Epididymoorchitis, epididymal cyst, scrotal filariasis. Shukrashmari, torsion of the testis. Ectopic testis. Undescended testis, a chief cause of infertility. Remember, cryptorchidism. Cryptorchidism means undescended testis. Testis is at the birth, they are in the abdomen. During the birth process, they come down into the scrotum. That is to take away from the heat, because heat, HEAT, can damage to the testis. Vriddhi Roga, that is hydrocele. Antravriddhi, that is inguinal, femoral, epigastric, different types of hernia. Hernia is also very common nowadays. Practicals, demonstration of surgical instruments and methods of sterilization. Kshara Karma, Agni Karma, Kshara Sutra, Rakta Moksha, application of bandages and splint that you have to run. Hands-on training, catheterization, how to give the rice tube, aspiration, injections, intramuscular, intravenous, subcutaneous, intradermal, incision and drainage of abscess, suturing of the open wounds. Then you must observe these 9 procedures: circumcision, hydrocele, hernial repair, vasectomy, herniorhydectomy, fissurectomy, fissurectomy, appendicectomy, and cholecystectomy. Surgical emergencies you must be able to manage. Then clinical training for 9 months. For example, 1 month for the Shalya Samanya, general surgery, 3 months for Kshara and Anushastra Karma, then 2 months for orthopedics, and 15 days for anesthesia, and 15 days for radiology. Daily record marks, practical marks, journal 10 marks, instrument 20 marks, short case 10 marks, long case 20 marks, Viva OC 40 marks, total 100 marks. So my dear friends, this is all for the today's topic, and this is my paid services. You can WhatsApp me 9226810630 for PPT as per demand, audios as per demand, and videos as per demand. I I'm very thankful to you. Please like this video, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. I wish you all the best, not for only fourth year BMS or final professional, but all the time in your practice. God bless you, my dear friends. Thank you.